Okay, I am S. Chetty, the Deputy Principal of Verulam Secondary. And right now I'm speaking to Junaid Bayat from Accelerated Learning Program. You know, I've been to the learning program with our grade 12 learners, and I was thoroughly and awesomely thrilled with the program. You know, as a business economics or business studies teacher, I found that the learning methods that he has taught our learners was exceptional. Children have actually moved in their study methods, and especially with business studies, you find that the learners will have to go through a lot of facts. And because of that, his method of using the mapping system and other systems has tremendously helped them. And as a business studies teacher, we'll find that there's a lot of essays that the learners have to learn, and many of the learners have said that they have tried this system, and sometimes it will take them hours to learn an essay. But now you start the methods where they can learn an entire essay in a short period of time. Maybe they haven't achieved the goal that Junaid has set for them, but at least they have moved now to maybe almost like about 20 minutes learning an essay. And so I'm, as a deputy principal and an educator, I'm so thankful for Junaid Bayat and his system of learning which the children have. Really, the wonderful thing is that they have really gone ahead and used his system. And even the accounting learners, I think it has motivated them so much to move to another level. So Junaid Bayat, I want to thank you very much on behalf of Verulam Secondary. Thank you.